Hi guys, today we're going to open a mystery pack. Let's see what's inside. We got a big mystery bag. We got some tiny ones. And some more tiny ones. And we got, oh, what's this? Mystery pack. Is this just the photos or something in this? Oh, I think there's like a thing in this. But let's see if there's anything else. Yep, there's one more. Okay, so what's going to be in this one? Oh, why did I not use these scissors? There we go. We got a car. That was funny. I'll get that. Sit right there. Let's open this one. We got, look, a little jumpy lizard. That looks cool. Or frog. Yeah, that's a frog. Let's set you here. And let's open this one upside down. Okay, what's in this one? I think this would be a bad one. It's a fake roach. I got another one. There were 3, I think. Yeah. Yeah, that would probably, if they're real, that would have been a bad one. Where these work. Okay. I got so much in here. Look. I got this one, this one, this one, and this one. So, what's in this one? Oh, this video is going fast. We already opened up 4. What's in this one? It looks like a frisbee. Like a circle thing, like a frisbee. Let's see. It was a frisbee. Okay, let's open this one. Is there something in this one? Or is this just like an empty bag? Let me see. I got a whoopee cushion. Okay, time for the big one. Well, we already opened the big one. This big one does not feel flat. Right here. I'm going to get slime. Bubbles. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell and hit a like. Comment down below which one was your favorite. Bye.